Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is the 3-day public weather forecast for the Turks and Caicos Islands for the next 3 days, issued on today, Wednesday, January 7, 2026. General situation: high pressure ridging will support mostly fair weather across the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Weather: mostly sunny today, fair tonight, with winds northeast at 5 to 15 knots. Seas: Caicos Bank 1 to 3 feet, Atlantic 2 to 5 feet. Daytime temperature 81 degrees Fahrenheit, overnight low temperature 72 degrees. Sunset will be at 5:21 p.m. Low tide 4:51 p.m. New high tide 10:51 p.m. Extended forecast: the building high pressure will bring noticeably breezy and warmer conditions across the Turks and Caicos Islands for the rest of the week. At times, brief passing showers may occur, but most areas will remain dry. Thursday, isolated showers possible in the afternoon, partly sunny with a high near 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Thursday night, isolated showers possible overnight, mostly fair with a low around 73 degrees. Winds northeast to east at 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas: Caicos Bank 1 to 3 feet, Atlantic 2 to 5 feet. Sunrise 6:28 a.m., sunset 5:21 p.m. Low tide 5:04 a.m., high tide 11:06 a.m. Friday, isolated showers possible in the afternoon, partly sunny with a high near 84 degrees. Friday night, isolated showers possible overnight, mostly fair with a low around 73 degrees. Winds northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots. Seas: Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet, Atlantic 3 to 5 feet. Sunrise 6:29 a.m., sunset 5:22 p.m. Low tide 6 a.m., the high tide of 11:55 a.m. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on today, Wednesday, 7th January 2026, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday. Thank you.